Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Thursday, February 20th, 2013. I just want to follow up with the video from yesterday regarding the trade that I had in Priceline. Now, Priceline, as you can see on this chart, specifically the daily chart, you can see that Priceline has moving up very strongly since, again, February 5th. Moving up strongly, hitting significantly overvalued a number of days. Now, back on Tuesday, I was watching for divergences at the top of this bar when we were significantly overvalued. Now, I actually did play a descending wedge, and you can actually see right here that was the high of the day. We came down, we started falling, momentum was actually drifting to almost nothing. The indicator line was way up here at 45 and we started to fall. So here at moderately overvalued on a 1 minute chart, I bought 3 different purchases of Priceline puts. Now they kept going. They actually fell at this point right here. Because they had fallen almost $6 or $7, I actually just, instead of taking profits, I actually just moved the stop to break even. And I did that because I was fishing for a top in Priceline, because Priceline has a tendency to run, consolidate for a day or two, and then turn and go in the opposite direction. So that's what I was trying to do in Priceline. Now, Priceline continued lower the rest of the day. Bounced up just a little bit at the end of the day. The next day we opened up higher, and then from that point on Wednesday, we continued to fall and fall and fall. So what I actually did was, as we were falling, I trailed the stop. But also at this point on Wednesday, I went ahead and sold half of the position, half of the 20 puts. And that's how I mentioned it yesterday, that we were falling. Actually fell a whole lot more since when I made that video yesterday. I sold half the position here, and then today we bounced higher at the open and we continued to fall. Now, the one reason why I actually looking to sell these positions is that Priceline actually has earnings after the close of today, so I did not want to be holding any option positions at the close going into earnings. So what I was doing today was looking for the low point of the day to potentially sell the remaining 10 contracts. Now you can see the overall market was also weak during this time. I sold both contracts, 2 sets of 5s, right at this point here on a lower term time chart. This looked like a bullish divergence, like it was about to run up higher. Actually faked this out, dropped just a little bit more to the low of the day, and then bounced and has since moved higher. So I'm actually very happy with getting out at this point right down here. The low here was 1261. Back where I got in was 1311. So from the price that I bought the puts till the last price when I got out is a $50 move. Now, the one thing I did not capture, absolutely everything of that move because of the types of options that I was buying, but on this trade alone, I made $63,350 net of when I sold here, here, and here. So that's an excellent trade. It came out to $3,168 a contract. I'm very happy with this trade. Again, the only reason why I'm selling is because because of earnings after the close today. I'm actually thinking Priceline could pull and go down even further than where we are. But again, $63,350 over the course of 48 hours is not bad at all.